I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying this mean green for the very first time. This one here is the multi-purpose cleaner, but they also sent for my review. We've got the bathroom cleaner and we also have the glass cleaner. Now, I have tried many cleaners and I have never seen anything like this. So basically, I'm sure right off the bat, you notice the bottle looks a little bit different. So you have this little area here, which we are meant to be filling with tap water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Because as you can see, this is my very first time doing this. We're going to be trying this together. So I don't know if there was, I didn't even look, to be honest, a fill line, but I think we're good. That should be enough. So basically, I'm sure, as you saw, I literally just put water in here, and look at that. You can already see some, and it's a little bit of a different color. So what is happening is there is a chamber on this side, and as you fill it up with water, this, the liquid is going to, the cleaner is actually going to come in here and mix with the water. So it's actually going to give you the perfect amount that you need every time. So I'm sure if you're anything like me, I probably use way too much cleaner when I'm using certain products when I'm cleaning, because I don't know, I'm like, oh, we definitely need to douse it. But this one here is actually going to give you the perfect amount every single time. So then this water here is going to go out, and then you just keep adding water more and more. And then when this is completely empty, you can just go ahead and get yourself the the little concentrate and put it in here. So then this becomes reusable. This is really heavy duty. So once you turn this in, you just have the little spout. It says stop, and we turn this way. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on my oven. So as I said, this is a multi-purpose. As you can see, my oven's looking a little bit rough there. Probably need to give it a couple of sprays first time around. So we're going to spray that. And then I'm going to just go ahead and grab a paper towel, and then we're going to see how easily this comes off. Oh, wow. That's actually, for like the first swipe around, that's actually pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to have to add just a little bit more, but that was really caked on there and really long. And as you can see, all we have left, oh look, and then if I just put a little bit of elbow grease, that comes right off. That is really surprising. I am excited. Like, look at that. Couple little swipes, couple little sprays, all of that came off. I can't wait to attack my bathroom with this stuff.